What causes dog food aggression? Dog food aggression can result from resource guarding, past experiences of scarcity, or fear of losing food. It's a natural survival instinct in some dogs. How can I stop my dog from being aggressive with food? Gradually, desensitize your dog to your presence near their food by offering positive reinforcement and using training techniques to create a calm feeding routine. Is it safe to feed my dog in a crate if they show food aggression? Yes, feeding in a crate can help prevent aggressive behavior by providing a secure space, but always ensure your dog is comfortable and not stressed. Can food aggression be corrected in older dogs? Yes, with consistent training and patience, food aggression can be managed in dogs of any age, though older dogs may require a bit more time to adapt. When should I seek professional help for food aggression? If food aggression escalates, becomes dangerous, or is unresponsive to training at home, it's a good idea to consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist.